back to the next session of Answers tutorial. I am solving question 10 today. This question is of thermal analysis. Let's read. The inner surface of a plain brick wall is at 60 degrees Celsius and the outer surface is at 35 degrees Celsius. Calculate the rate of heat transfer per meter square of surface area of the wall, which is 220 mm thick. The thermal conductivity of the brick is 0.51 watt per meter degree Celsius and H for fluid is given as 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius. The figure is given. One side of the wall is having temperature 60 degrees Celsius. The other end is subjected to temperature 35 degrees Celsius. There is some fluid over here, say it could be air, whose H value, surface conductance, is given as 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius. The value of thermal conductivity of the brick wall is given as 0.51 watt per meter degree Celsius. The thickness of the wall is given as 220 mm. The width and the height of the wall is not given, so I'll assume some random value. The cross section is not important. What is important is the thickness. So let's start solving and answers. I'll first go to steady state thermal. I will label the question as example 2. If you have not seen the example 1, it will be difficult for you to understand this problem. So I'll mark the video in my description. Please check it and go through the video before solving the question 2. I'll just add the new material, that is brick wall. Brick wall will have isotropic thermal conductivity. The unit is watt per meter degree Celsius. So it's correct. The value is 0.51. So this is my material and this is the only property given. So material is made. I'll go to project, update project. Next I'll go to geometry, right click, new design modeler geometry. I'll go to units, millimeter, XY, look at, sketching. I'll choose rectangle. I'll give it some dimensions. Say the breadth is 60 and the height is 40. I'll extrude, apply, thickness is 220, generate. This is my simple geometry. I'll go to model and double click on it. I'll go to geometry, solid, change the material to brick wall. Next I'll go to mesh. I'll choose sizing as fine, update. Now I'll go to analysis settings. One side has temperature 60 degrees Celsius. The other side I'll just change the side. (35 degrees Celsius). So this is temperature 1 and temperature 2. On this side there is also convection. You can see it's written film coefficient. It is also called as surface conductance. The value is given as 10. Now the unit over here is watt per mm square degree Celsius. If I see here, the unit is watt per meter square degree Celsius, which means I need to change the unit. So I'll change it to meter and this value is 10. watt per meter square degree Celsius. So these are the boundary conditions given. I'll go to solution, right click, insert, thermal, total heat flux, or I can add directional heat flux. If I choose directional, I'll have to give the direction as Z. Right click, insert, total heat flux, solution, solve. I click on directional heat flux. So this is the value 57.955. This is the answer for heat flux, the value of Q. And you can see over here, this is the symbol which is used for heat flux. At least the symbol which I use is small q. And the unit is watt per meter square. You can check the question, it is written here. Calculate the rate of heat transfer per meter square. The unit of heat will be watt over here, heat transfer. So it will be watt per meter square of surface area of the wall, which means I get the answer in the same unit. You can check this answer by manual method. I have calculated and I have got the same answer. Well, I hope you have understood the problem. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support is utmost important. Hit the bell icon for getting the latest updates of my videos. I'll see you in the next session with another numerical of answers workbench. Thank you.